Hi students, we are discussing angle between the planes. Look at one problem. Equation of plane containing equation of plane containing the line x by 2 equals to y by 3 equals to z by 4 and perpendicular to plane containing lines x by 3 equals to y by 4 equals to z by 2 and x by 4 equals to y by 2 equals to z by 3 is dash. So look at this problem. Look at here. So we want equation of a plane that contains this line. Let us say our required plane is P1. Let us say our required plane is represented like this. P1, right? So let us say this is L1. This is L1 first line. So this is L2, let us say. So this is L3. L3. Give the names, right? So this is the plane equation we want. In that line 1 is there. Our logic is for finding this plane equation, we want a point on it and drs of the normal we want. So this line is there means what about this line? On this a point will be there. What is that? 0 0 0 on that point is there. So our required plane is having one point, and we have to find drs of the normal. Proceed according to logic. N1 let us say normal. N1 let us say, and this line has also direction vector. Let us say A bar. Direction vector is what for this line? 2i, follow according to logic. 2i plus 3j plus 4k. This vector also lies in the plane. This direction lies in the plane, right? So now there is another plane. There is another plane which contains these two lines. There is another plane. Let us say plane is like this. Let us say plane is like this. Whatever may be arbitrarily you draw. Plane is like this. So now it contains two lines. These two lines, L2 and L3, they have common point origin. They have common point origin. So here point is not necessary. So there are two lines because this plane you have to find now. So this is, let us say lines are like this. Lines are like this. So this is L2, this is L3. So this is L2, this is L3, right? So now this is, let us say plane 2. Plane 2 contains two lines. So what is the story here? Here, this direction vector will be there b bar. So b bar is nothing but 3i plus 4j plus 2k. So direction vector will be there c bar. So given that this plane 1 is perpendicular to plane 2, that means for this plane normal will be there. I am drawing normal. Look at, I am drawing normal to this plane. Normal to this plane. This is normal 2. So that means normal 1 and normal 2 will be perpendicular. Normal 1 and normal 2 will be perpendicular. So now look at, I am finding, let us say along the normal N2, what will be the vector? So N2. First we will find this normal vector. We will find this normal vector, that is normal vector to plane 2. So normal 2 will be perpendicular to both b bar comma c bar. Both b bar comma c bar. Right? So let us say this is d bar. Normal vector is d bar. So therefore this direction vector will be what? D bar will be b bar cross c bar. So along N2, what will be the vector that will be there? dr's vector. This N2 will be perpendicular to b bar c bar. Therefore, d bar is what? One vector b bar cross c bar. That I am finding out. I, b bar is what? 3i plus 4j plus 2k. That means 3, 4, 2. So 4, 2, 3. B bar is this, C bar is this, 4, 2, 3. Let us find this normal vector, D bar. So I into, what is this? 12 minus 4, 8. 12 minus 4, 8. So minus j into, so minus j into 9 minus 8, 1 plus k into, so 6 minus 16 minus 10. Therefore, vector d bar will be 8i minus j minus k. So this is d bar. Now this is not the plane we want. We want this plane. That means n1, this normal drs we want. That means a vector along normal 1 we want. Right? So if you look at here, normal 1 is perpendicular to N2. That means normal 1 is perpendicular to when one vector is there here. So N1 will be perpendicular to A bar comma D bar. A bar comma D bar. Look at N1. This is perpendicular to A bar as well as this is perpendicular to D bar. That means drs of N1 is given by A bar cross D bar. Let us find out A bar cross D bar. So I, J, K. So what is A bar here? A bar is 2, 3, 4. So now this is 8 minus 1 minus 10. Right? So let us find out this vector. So I into, so this is minus 30 plus 4. That means minus 26. So minus 26 minus j into this is minus 20 minus 32 minus 52 plus k into, so plus k into minus 2 minus 24. That means minus 26. So take minus 26i plus 52j minus 26k. What are these? A, B, C. A, B, C DRs. That means minus 26, 52, minus 26. So therefore it is passing through origin. Now the plane is passing through origin. The plane is passing through origin and having normal DRs this. So therefore our required equation of the plane is nothing but A into, that means minus 26 into x minus 0 plus 52 into y minus 0 minus 26 into z minus 0 equal to 0. You take minus 26 common, so x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. This is required equation of the plane. Like that, whenever you require a plane normal vector, you find vectors, two vectors perpendicular to this. One vector is normal vector of this plane, another vector lies in the plane. So if you write the cross product, you will get that normal DRs easily. That is the approach for finding the plane equation. We will go to the next concept. Follow the logic carefully. Simple equation is A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 only. For normal finding, there is logic. Any plane parallel to AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equal to 0 is parallel plane is nothing but just like straight lines, only constant difference will be there. Only constant difference will be there. If planes are parallel, what happens? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Then the planes will be what? Parallel. Just they will differ by a constant. So if you want to find a plane parallel to any plane, you change the constant. Then depending on the condition, you find, suppose if this plane is passing through a point and parallel to this, substitute the point and then get the constant. Then you will get the required parallel plane, just like in straight lines only. Next. Plane parallel to XY plane. Plane parallel to XY plane. Actually, XY plane is what? Z equal to 0. Is Z equal to some constant. Plane parallel to XY plane. Plane parallel to YZ plane. This is what? X equal to 0. Is X equal to K. Plane parallel to YZ plane. YZ plane is what actually? X equal to 0. It is X equal to some constant. They will differ by a constant. Right? Next. Distance between parallel planes. distance between parallel planes. Suppose two parallel planes are there. Parallel planes are there. Let us say first plane is D1 and second plane is D2. Is same formula as in straight lines. Modulus of D1 minus D2 divided by root of A square plus B square. Just like in straight lines. Suppose look at what is parallel planes distance means. Look, there are two parallel planes like this. Let us say two parallel planes like this. Ground face and top face. Ground face and top face. Let us say these are two parallel planes. Parallel planes distance means parallel planes means they will be like this. Look at this diagram. Look at this. Above the book, you keep one book, right? These are parallel planes, right? Look at this diagram. Two parallel planes, right? Below book, above book, two parallel planes. So I have represented over here, right? What is the distance between parallel plane means you take one point above the upper plane. In the upper face, you take one point, drop a perpendicular from P upon the ground face Q. So Q is the foot of perpendicular. You take any point on the above face and drop a perpendicular. This distance is called distance between parallel planes. Right? Take any point here and drop perpendicular. That distance is called, they will be same. If the book is like this, if the books are exactly parallel, if you take any point and drop the perpendicular, all the distances will be what? Equal only. That is distance between parallel planes. Write one problem, write one problem given in IIT. Right. I will dictate, right? Follow carefully, very important chapter. If you have any doubt, raise your hand. No problem. You can ask in study hours without any shy. Even you can ask in class also. If you have any conceptual doubt, you can ask, no problem. Right. Write the problem. If the distance between the plane, if the distance between the plane ax minus 2y plus z equal to t. Ax minus 2y plus z equal to d. And the plane containing the lines, x minus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 2 by 3 equals to z minus 3 divided by 4 divided by 4. This is one line and another line is given, x minus 2 by 3 equals to y minus 3 by 4 equals to z minus 4 divided by 5. Z minus 4 divided by 5 is root 6. Is root 6. Then modulus d equal to dash. Look at this problem. There is one plane, right? So this is, let us say, given plane is plane 1. Given plane is plane 1 and required plane is plane 2. I am drawing the required plane that you have to find out, and then distance between them is given. Required plane, let us say P2, let us say P2, let us say this is L1, this is L2. So the plane, look at, L1 and L2, L1 and L2 are in the plane. Plane 2 contains means L1. This is just your paper on which L1 and L2 lies. L1 and L2 lies. Therefore, so therefore, so therefore, definitely there is a point on this line. What is that? There is a point on this line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then this vector is there A bar, and then this vector is there A bar, and there is a point on this B, 2, 3, 4, and in this direction one vector will be there, and in this direction one vector will be there. Right? So therefore, so point is there, normal, draw the normal, draw the normal. This is the normal, right? I have drawn the normal. So points are there already. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2 points are there. You have to find DRs of the normal. So therefore, n perpendicular to A bar comma B bar. N perpendicular to A bar comma B bar. Therefore, what are the DRs? DRs are given by DRs of n are given by A bar cross B bar. That means IJK. So IJK, what is the direction vector A bar? 2i plus 3j plus 4k. So what is the direction vector? 3i plus 4j plus 5k. This is the direction vector. Let us find this. So I into 15 minus 16 minus 1. So minus j into, so 10 minus 12 minus 2. So plus k into, so 8 minus 9 minus 1. So minus I plus 2j minus k. So this, so that means DRs of normal. So A, B, C are nothing but minus 1, 2 minus 1. Right? So now take any point. So take any point and then write the line. So look at this 1, 2, 3. I am taking any point you can take. Minus 1 into. So this is DRs. A into x minus 1 plus 2 into y minus 2. Any point you take. Minus 1 into. So minus 1 into z minus 3 equal to 0. That means what you will get, minus x plus 2y minus z. So what you will get, this is 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3 plus 3 cancel. That means equation of the plane is x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. Equal to 0. So this is the plane. If you look at this point lies on the plane, look at. So 2, 3, 4, you substitute 2 minus 6 plus 4. This point will obviously lie. Like that it is given. Now look at. So distance between these two are what? Distance between these two are what? Root 6 given. That means these both planes are what? Parallel. That means P1, P2 are what? Parallel. P1, P2. Distance given means they are parallel. Therefore, what can you say about A? 1. What can you say about A? 1. That means this is 1. So, plane 1 is nothing but equal to D. So, what is the parallel distance? Parallel distance is nothing but root 6. That means what is the distance between parallel lines? Modulus of D1 minus D2 divided by divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. That means 1 plus 4 plus 1, 6 equal to root 6. That means modulus d value is nothing but 6. Modulus d value is nothing but 6. Because between two planes, distance given means they will be parallel planes. Otherwise, there won't be any fixed distance. If you look at the plane, minus 2y plus z is there. Minus 2y plus z is there. That means these two planes will be what? Parallel, like parallel planes. That means A must be 1. Like that, parallel lines, if they are there, how to find the distance between parallel planes? Next, we will go to the next concept, last concept. Two planes, two planes P1 and P2 intersect in a line. Two planes intersect in a line. Two planes intersect in a line. It is called line of intersection. Line of intersection. Line of intersection of two planes. Line of intersection of two planes. Look at it. Two planes, if they are there, two planes, they will intersect in a line. Look at it. Two planes are there like this. Let us say planes I am representing here. Look at planes I am representing like this. Plane 1, plane 2. Let us say these are two planes. These are two planes. Right? Actually, plane will be like this. These are all infinite planes, just bounded diagram I am writing. Okay. These two planes, actually all are infinite planes, just by the bounded diagram. This is one plane. So this completely is one plane. This is one plane. This is one plane. Look at this is one plane. This is one paper. Left paper, let us say this is right paper. P1, let us say P2. P1, P2. Right? This is P1, this is P2. If they intersect in a line. This line is there. This line is called line of intersection. Line of intersection of planes. Suppose, look at, I will show you. Take your notebook. Take your notebook. Right? Take your notebook. Two papers are there. Two papers are there like this. One paper is one plane. One paper is one plane. Right? They are intersecting. Where they are intersecting, this line is there. Na? This line, look at, this line is there. This line is there. Right? This is called line of intersection. Right? There will be infinite points are that on that. If these two intersect, they won't intersect at one point. Na? They will intersect in a line like this. These are all points of intersection. In between is there line, that is called line of intersection. You consider this as one plane, this as one plane. These two, if they intersect, they will intersect in a line. This is called line of intersection. Look at, this is plane 1, one paper, and this is plane 2, one paper. All these are infinite planes. This is called line of intersection. That means if two planes intersect, they will intersect in a line. It is called line of intersection of two planes. If two lines intersect, they will intersect at a point like this. Similarly, if two planes intersect, they will intersect in a line. Suppose, look at, suppose xy plane, yz plane, zx plane are there. This. So now xy plane, you see xy plane generated by xo x dash and yo y dash. Similarly, yz plane you see generated by yo y dash and zo z dash. Xy plane and yz plane. What is the line of intersection? This y dash. Those two planes intersect, xy plane and yz plane. What is the common? This y-axis is there, that is called line of intersection of xy plane and yz plane. Similarly, yz plane and zx plane, if you take, yz plane is there, zx plane is there. So what is the line of intersection? This is zo z dash is the line of intersection. Similarly, xy plane and zx plane, x-axis is the line of intersection. Like that, they will intersect in a line. That is called line of intersection. So look at how to find line of intersection means. How to find line of intersection means always you represent like this. Look at, just we have represented these papers as two planes. Actually, this plane is with this plane will be left side paper. This plane will be infinite length. This plane will extend further. This plane will extend further. Right? But those two will intersect in a line. That is that line. Now, whenever you are finding line of intersection, look at, you always remember this diagram, right? You always remember this diagram. Just two papers you represent, right? So this is line of intersection. So this is, let us say P1, this is P2. Let us say this is L. Now L lies in plane 1 as well as plane 2. This line lies in the left paper as well as right paper. That means in both planes this line will lie. This is the line common to both planes. So how to calculate drs of L? How to calculate drs of L is, look at, take this normal vector. Take this normal vector will be there. Look at, normal vector. This normal vector will be there like this for the plane. N1 bar is the normal vector and N2 bar for this plane normal vector will be there. Right? So this L, as it lies in plane 1, L perpendicular to N1 bar, comma N2 bar. Correct or not? This L is in plane 1, so it will be perpendicular to normal vector of that. So any vector along L will be perpendicular to N bar, and it also lies in plane 2, it will be perpendicular to N2 bar. What we will do is, we take the vectors normal vector of first plane and normal vector of second plane, and drs of L are given by N1 bar cross N2 bar. N1 bar cross N2 bar. Look at, suppose two planes are there like this, C1 Z1 plus D1 equal to 0, one plane, A2X plus B2Y plus C2Z plus D2 equal to 0 is one plane. What is N1 bar? Normal vector means what? These drs are there. A1I plus B1J plus C1K, normal vector of second plane. These DRs are there. With that you write one vector A2i plus B2j plus C2k. If you write cross product of these both, then for this line you will get DRs. This is line only. For this line you will get DRs. So if you get the DRs, then you will be able to write equation of the line. Right? Look at one problem. LOI is denoted like this. LOI of plane 1 and plane 2 is denoted by L. He will give line such that, look at, he will give like this: A1x plus B1y plus C1z plus D1 equal to 0, A2x plus B2y D2. He will give line and he will give one plane equal to 0 equal to other plane. This means what? This line is nothing but line of intersection of both planes. If the line is in this form, means it is called line of intersection of two planes. Find DRs and DCs. DRs and DCs of line. Find DRs and DCs of line he will give like this: x plus y plus z minus 3 equal to 0 equals to 2x plus y minus z plus 4. He has given line. He has given line as this one. That means it is nothing but line of intersection of two planes. Line of intersection of two planes. First we will find normal vector. N1 bar cross N2 bar. N1 bar cross N2 bar. That will give you, look at this one. This line is represented by this equal to 0, this equal to 0. N1 bar cross N2 bar is nothing but IJK 1 1 1 1. That means normal vector is I plus j plus k. Normal vector to this plane is 2i plus j minus k. This find the normal vector I into minus 1 minus 2. So minus j into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So plus k into 1 minus 2 minus 1. That means you will get the vector minus 2i plus 3j minus k. So this, therefore, DRs of line of intersection are nothing but minus 2 comma 3 comma minus 1. Minus 2 comma 3 comma minus 1. These are DRs of this line. DCs of line of intersection. DCs of line of intersection is what? Plus or minus minus 2 divided by root of 4 plus 9 plus 1. That means root 14 comma 3 by root 14 comma minus 1 by root 14. These are DCs of line of intersection. Suppose if you want to find this line in standard form, line will always be in the form x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c, right? So for writing this line in the standard form, you need a point on it. There are infinite number of points are there common to both planes. We will find one point. Look at, take these equations. Two x equal to 0. We have to find a point which satisfies both planes. Take z equal to 0. Anything you can take. Take z equal to 0. So x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, first plane. So here minus z plus 4 equal to 0. This, so z equal to 0 you take there, 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Find x and y. So this minus this, that means minus x minus 7 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 7. So x equal to minus 7 means, so y equal to 10. Y equal to 10. So therefore, a point, that means a point on this line, one single point you find out. What is that? So minus 7 comma 10 comma 0. 10 comma 0. Look at this line is there, na? This line is there. We have found the DRs of this line. Now there are infinite points. Any point you can find out. For finding that point, I have taken z equal to 0. You can take x equal to 0 also. No problem. Find any point of your choice. If you substitute this point, this will become 0. This will become 0. That means it lies on this line. Therefore, equation of the line is this point x plus 7 divided by drs are what? So drs, what you got? Drs are minus 2, 3, minus 1. Minus 2 y minus 10 divided by, this is what, 3 equals to z minus 0 divided by minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. So this is called symmetric form. This is standard form actually. This is called symmetric form of line. This is called symmetric form of line. Standard form of line is called symmetric form of line. Right? So planes I have given now. If the line is given like this, if the line is given like this, if the line is represented like this, this is called unsymmetric form of line. Unsymmetric form of line. Right? If the line is given like this means you can convert this into symmetric form, standard form. How to convert? First we will find drs by using cross product, and then we will take two planes and find a point on it and then write with that point and dr symmetric form. He will give the line and ask you to convert into symmetric form. That means drs and the point you have to find out. Look, in this same question, if the line, if it is asked like this, if the line makes angle beta with positive z-axis, then gamma, let us say theta, angle theta with positive z-axis, then modulus cos theta equal to dash. Modulus cos theta equal to dash. this line makes angle theta with positive z-axis. That means if a line, this is line only, if a line makes an angle theta with positive z-axis, cos theta is what? Dr's n. Dr's is what? N, right? N is what here? DC's you got. N is DC. Cos theta is nothing but minus 1 by root 14. Therefore, modulus cos theta is what? 1 by root 14. According to definition, if a line makes angle theta with positive z-axis, then cos gamma is what? N. Gamma is theta. That means you already got DC's here. Find DC's. Then cos theta will be N. Like that. This is called line of intersection. Next. Right. Next concept is the equation of the plane. The equation of the plane passing through LOI means line of intersection of two planes A1x plus B1y plus C1z plus D1 equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2z plus D2 equal to 0 is plane 1 is given, plane 2 is given. You want to find the equation of the plane that passes through line of intersection of both. Plane 1 plus lambda into plane 2 equal to 0. Look at what is this means. So there are two planes. Let us say represented like this. Two planes are there like this. One plane, let us say like this. Your paper, one paper, and then another plane is like this. Another plane is like this. Right? These are two planes. Let us say this is plane 1, plane 2. Plane 1, plane 2. Now I am drawing a plane which has line of intersection. This line is there, this line is there. I am drawing a plane such that for the plane I am drawing and for these two planes there will be common line of intersection. Look at. Suppose there is another plane. There is another plane P3. There is another plane P3. There is another plane P3 which intersects P1 and P2 in the same line. In the same line. That means look at. I will show like this. Follow carefully. You take your two papers like this. Your two papers. Take another book. తీసుకోండి అందరూ. Another book తీసుకొని ఈ రెండు ప్లేన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ రెండు ప్లేన్స్ కి లైన్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఇది కామన్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఇలా పెట్టండి చూడండి, నేను పెట్టింది చూడండి, ఇలా పెట్టండి మీరు. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు నేను కొత్తగా బుక్ పెట్టాను కదా, దిస్ న్యూ బుక్ ఈస్ దేర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ న్యూ ప్లేన్. How the plane is this new plane that is intersecting two planes in the common line. That means these three planes are having common line. That is, these three planes are having common line of intersection. Common line of intersection. This plane is having common line of intersection. Like that, how many planes will be there which have common line of intersection of P1 and P2? You can draw infinite planes. If you keep another book, then another plane will come. If you keep another book, another plane will come. That means all these are planes. P1 and P2 are the planes given to you. There will be infinite number of planes which will pass through line of intersection of two planes. That means all these are called family of planes which are having common line of intersection. That means all these planes I have drawn will intersect in a common line. It is called common line of intersection of planes. Such type of plane, if you want to find, its equation will be like this. In straight lines we have done. Suppose L1 is there, L2 is there, they will intersect at P. If you want to find a line that passes through point of intersection of both, what is that line? L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Similarly, if you want to find the plane which passes through line of intersection of both, will be taken in the form, if you want to find this plane passes through line of intersection of both, you take that equation as P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. So some condition will be given to you. Then by using that condition, find the value of lambda and then find the required plane, like that. Right? The equation of the plane passing through line of intersection of two planes. Write one problem, you will be understanding. Write one problem. Write one problem. Find the, I will dictate. Find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane passing through line of intersection of the planes 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 0, 3z equal to 4 comma x minus 2y plus z equal to 2 and perpendicular to plane x plus y minus 5z plus 2 equal to 0. Now look at, whenever the problem will come like this, this is one of your paper, right? Line of intersection of two plane means you assume as your two papers, those are given, right? You want another plane which passes through your common line is there for the papers passing through line of intersection. That means that paper I have introduced, that book I have introduced, that book equation I want. That book equation means how that will be 2x plus y required plane. This plane is there. That plane equation will be of the form plus lambda into this plane. plus z minus 2. P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. P2 equal to 0. That means now in the standard form you write 2 plus lambda into x. 2 plus lambda into x plus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 lambda into y. 1 minus 2 lambda into y plus 3 plus lambda into z minus of 4 plus 2 lambda equal to 0. This is the required plane. For finding this plane, what you have to calculate? Lambda you must calculate. Now look at this plane, how it is given? It is perpendicular to this. Perpendicular to one condition is given. Perpendicular to this plane. This required plane, this plane is there. Another plane P4 is there. P4 is there outside. P3 and P4 are perpendicular. What is the perpendicularity condition you apply? If the two planes are perpendicular, then perpendicularity condition. For finding lambda, he will give that condition. Into 1 minus 5 into 3 plus lambda equal to 0. Calculate the value of lambda. So what you will get lambda value? You will get lambda equal to minus 2. Check out lambda equal to minus 2 you will get. So what is the equation required plane? This plane is nothing but your required plane is nothing but your required plane is substitute lambda here. Substitute lambda here. If you substitute lambda, this will become 0. Lambda equal to minus 2. Then you will get minus 2 means plus 5y plus 5y. 3 minus 2 is 1 plus z. So if we substitute here, it will become 0. That means your required plane is nothing but 5y plus z equal to 0. 5y plus z equal to 0. Here condition is it is perpendicular to this. Some other condition he can give. Some other condition he can give. So calculate lambda. Right, next problem. Once it is complete, I will tell the class. There are some problems, right? No problem. Right, write one problem. Write one problem. Find the equation. Find the equation of plane. Find the equation of plane which contains the line. L. The line L is given like this. 2x plus y minus z minus 4 equal to 0 equal to x plus y plus z minus 3, which contains the line and plane is parallel to line x by 1 equals to y by 2 equals to z by 0. What he is telling is you want a plane. Let us say our required plane is this. Let us say P is the required plane. It contains this line L. This line L is what is the meaning here? It is the line of intersection of two planes. It is the line of intersection of two planes, right? That means this L is nothing but actually line of intersection of two planes. Line of intersection of two planes are there. One plane is this and another plane I am drawing. Another plane I am drawing. Right? Another plane I am drawing. This another plane I am drawing. That means like this line I will draw required plane again. Actually our required plane I am drawing. Look at this is plane 1, plane 2 given in the question. This is the line. This line is contained means look at here I am drawing the plane. My required plane is this. My required plane is P. My required plane is P. This plane contains the line. Look at in the plane P itself line is there. In the plane P itself line is there. That means this plane is containing this line. That means for these three planes, for this plane and my required plane, common line of intersection is there. That means my required plane is nothing but plane passing through line of intersection of this plane and this plane. That means required plane is nothing but plane 1 plus lambda plane 2 equal to 0. Because my required plane is having line of intersection of P1 and P2 as its line of intersection. That means P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. That means you write like this 2x plus y minus z minus 4 plus lambda into this is the required plane. So this is the required plane. Apply in standard form 2 plus lambda into x, 2 plus lambda into x plus 1 plus lambda into y plus lambda minus 1 into z, lambda minus 1 into z. So minus of 3 lambda plus 4 equal to 0. For calculating lambda, what is the information given to you? Your required plane is parallel to this plane is parallel to this line. That means plane is parallel to this line means this normal to plane P will be perpendicular to this line. This line DRs are what? 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0. Normal DRs you know here. Normal DRs are what? Normal DRs are 2 plus lambda for this plane 1 plus lambda minus 1. Right? Normal is perpendicular to L. Normal is perpendicular to this L because this line is parallel to the plane. That means apply the perpendicularity condition for this normal line and that L. So 2 plus lambda into 1 plus 1 plus lambda into 2 equal to 0. That means you will get 3 lambda. So 3 lambda plus 4 equal to 0. Lambda equal to what? Minus 3 by 4. So therefore your required equation of the plane, required plane is nothing but substitute lambda here 2x plus y minus z minus 4 plus lambda. Lambda is nothing but minus 3 by 4 into x plus y plus z minus 3 equal to 0. So that you will get, if you take the LCM, 8x minus 3x, 5x. So 4y minus 3y, that means y. So minus 4z minus 3z minus 7z. So minus 7z. So here minus 16 plus 9. 7 equal to 0. That is the required equation of the plane. This. Like that, passing it contains L means always take your required plane in the form P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. Then by other condition you find out lambda. ఏంటమ్మా విమల్ విమల్ అరే అరే కరెక్ట్ -4/3 వెరీ గుడ్ -4/3 ఇది సింప్లిఫై రాసుకోండి ఏమొస్తుంది రాసుకోండి -4/3 సో లైక్ దట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లేన్ రైట్ next problem right amma right write the problem the plane 3y plus 4z 3y plus 4z equal to 0 the plane 3y plus 4z equal to 0 is rotated through an angle of 45 degree random మార్నింగ్ 7 నుంచి 8 వరకు నేను అందుబాటులో ఉంటాను డౌట్స్ మీరు మార్నింగ్ వచ్చి జూమ్లోకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు వచ్చి చేయండి డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే అడగండి ఓకేనా ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నాను కదా మార్నింగ్ 7 నుంచి 8:30 వరకు అందుబాటులో ఉంటాను ఓకేనా ఇచ్చిన అసైన్మెంట్ ఇప్పుడు పెడతాను కాకపోతే కనుక మార్నింగ్ చేయండి ఓకేనా నేను అందుబాటులో ఉంటాను 7 నుంచి 8:30 వరకు ద ప్లేన్ 3y plus 4z equal to 0 is rotated through an angle of 45 degree about its line of intersection with yz plane right find the equation of the plane in new position చూడండి ఒకసారి ఇదంటే అర్థం ఏంటి చూడండి రెండు ప్లేన్స్ ఉన్నాయి రెండు ప్లేన్స్ అంటే రెండు పేపర్స్ సో లుకింగ్ దీన్ని YZ ప్లేన్ అనుకోండి దీన్ని YZ ప్లేన్ అంటే ఈక్వేషన్ మనకు తెలుసుగా x equal to 0 ఇంకొక ప్లేన్ ఉంది అన్నమాట చూడండి నేను ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక ప్లేన్ ఉంది ఇట్లా నేను ఇక్కడ ఆ ప్లేన్ ఇట్లా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాను ఓకేనా సో ఈ ప్లేన్ మనకి 3y plus 4z equal to 0 ఇది ప్లేన్ 1 అనుకోండి ఇది ప్లేన్ 2 ఇలా ఉన్నాయి అన్నమాట ప్లేన్ 1 ప్లేన్ 2 ఓకేనా ఇనిషియల్ గా ఇలా ఉన్నాయి ఓకే ఇనిషియల్ గా ఇలా ఉన్నాయి రొటేటెడ్ ఈ ప్లేన్ P1 ని రొటేట్ చేశారు YZ ప్లేన్ ఫిక్స్డ్ గా ఉంచి దీన్ని మార్చకుండా ఇది ఫిక్స్ చేసేసి అబౌట్ ఇట్స్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఈ లైన్ ఫిక్స్ చేసేసి ప్లేన్ ని రొటేట్ చేశారు ఈ ప్లేన్ ని అంటే చూడండి మీ బుక్ ఉంది కదా మీ బుక్ లో ఒకటేమో YZ ప్లేన్ హారిజంటల్ గా తీసుకోండి ఇట్లా వర్టికల్ గా ఇట్లా ఇంక్లైన్డ్ గా ఇంకొక ప్లేన్ తీసుకోండి ఇట్లా ఇది ఒకటేమో ఫిక్స్డ్ గా YZ ప్లేన్ ఇది ఇంకొక ప్లేన్ ఇది సో ఇలా ఉంది కదా దీన్ని ఇలా ఉంది యాక్చువల్ గా ఉన్న పొజిషన్ దీన్ని ఏం చేశారంటే ఇలా ఉన్న దాన్ని కొంత యాంగిల్ ఉంటుంది కదా ప్లేన్స్ మధ్యలో, దాన్ని కొంచెం ఈ ఈ ప్లేన్ అలానే నేను ఊపుతున్నాను కదా, ఈ ప్లేన్ అలానే ఫిక్స్ చేసేసి దిస్ ప్లేన్ ఈజ్ రొటేటెడ్ త్రూ ఎన్ యాంగిల్, ఇట్లా రొటేట్ చేశారు. దిస్ ప్లేన్ వైజెడ్ ప్లేన్ ఈజ్ ఫిక్స్డ్. ఓకేనా? సో న్యూ పొజిషన్ ప్లేన్ చూడండి ఎలా ఉంటుంది. సో this paper is fixed. This paper he is rotating. Now this paper in new position I am writing. Look at this line is there fixed. So that means this paper in new position I am drawing here. I am drawing here. Right? So as it is rotated, obviously this plane position will change. Let us say this plane position is P2. This plane position is P2. That P2 plane he wants. After rotating through an angle of 45 degree, new position. P2 plane we will take like, P2 plane is passing through line of intersection. This P3 అనుకోండి, ఇది P1, ఇది P2. So P3 plane is nothing but it passes through line of intersection of these both. That means it will be of the form P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0 because they have common line of intersection. So therefore P1 plus lambda, that means 3y plus 4z plus lambda into x equal to 0. This is our required plane. Lambda x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 0. How this plane is rotated through an angle 45 degree. That means angle between P1 plane and P3 plane is 45 degree. P1 is rotated such that the new position of P1 is P3. P2 is not changing. No? That means angle between the old paper and new paper is what? 45 degree. That means angle between P1 and P3 is 45 degree. That means P1 is what? 0x. So this is P3. P1 I am writing 0x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 0. The angle between these two planes formula is what? Cos theta, cos 45 degree equals to modulus A1 A2 0 plus B1 B2 9 plus C1 C2 16 divided by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, lambda square plus 25, lambda square plus 25 into root of 25. So bring this side. So this is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2. Root of 25 into lambda square plus 25 equal to 25. Squaring on both sides. 25 into root 2. 25 root 2. Squaring on both sides. Equals to, this is 25 square into 2. So 25 cancel. Lambda square equal to 50 minus 25. Lambda square equal to this. Lambda equal plus or minus 5. So therefore, new position of plane after rotation, new position is nothing but lambda you substitute. Plus or minus 5x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 0. Plus 4z equal to 0. Like that, if we ask new position, then you take in the form P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. This P3 plane, how it is? It makes an angle 45 degree with plane 1. Plane 1. That's why angle between P3 and P1 I have written 45. Suppose in some problems he will ask like this plane is rotated such that in the new position this P3 is perpendicular to P1. Then what you have to write? P3 is perpendicular to P1 means For these two, you write A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. That's all. Okay. Here angle given, 90 degree given means what? Perpendicularity condition we will write. Okay. Last concept, 10 minutes. Right. Next. Intercept form of a plane. Just like intercept form of a line, intercept form of a plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So x by a plus y by b equal to plus z by c equal to 1. This is called x-intercept. This is called y-intercept. This is called z-intercepts. Z-intercept. Z-intercepts. Look at this plane. This plane intersects x-axis at which point it will intersect this plane at which point it will intersect what? Put y equal to 0, z equal to 0. That means x by a equal to 1. That means this plane will intersect where it intersects x-axis. Simple. On x-axis y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Where it will intersect x equal to a. On x-axis it will intersect at a 0 0. So that means similarly y-axis at b. Y-axis means you put x equal to 0, y z equal to 0. So 0 comma b comma 0. Next, where it intersects z-axis at c. 0 comma 0 comma c. Look at the plane will be like this. If it is an intercept plane, if it is an intercept form, the plane will be like this. Ox, Oy, Oz. Right? You draw the plane like this, intersecting x-axis, y-axis, z-axis like a triangle. Like a triangle. That means it intersects x-axis at this point. A 0 0 0 0 B 0 0 C. If the plane is in this form, that plane intersects x-axis at A, y-axis at B, z-axis at C. The plane passing through these 3 points is nothing but x by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to 1. Now look at it. If the plane, important formula, if the plane x by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to 1 intersects x-axis, comma y-axis, comma z-axis at z-axis at A, comma B, comma C respectively. Then volume of tetrahedron OABC is V equals to 1 by 6 into modulus ABC. Modulus ABC. Look at them here. This plane is intersecting x-axis at A, y-axis at B, z-axis at C. Right? O is the origin. Now join O to A, O to C, O to B. There is one tetrahedron formed. Volume of this tetrahedron is nothing but 1 by 6 into product of intercepts. Product of intercepts. Now volume is what actually 1 by 6 into box of volume means what? Box of OA bar, OB bar, OC bar. In vector form, what is the volume? 1 by 6 into quaternary edges OA, OB, OC. That means 1 by 6 into modulus. OA bar means what? This side I will be there, this side J will be there, this side K will be there. That means box of AI, BI, BJ, CK. These are the vectors. So that means 1 by 6 into, these are constants you write outside, ABC into box of IJK. That means what? Box of IJK is 1. Box of IJK is 1. Two problems are there. Two problems I will stop. Write one problem. Write one problem. Right. Just two problems, 5 minutes. A plane is parallel to two lines. A plane is parallel to two lines. A plane is parallel to two lines whose direction ratios are 1 0 minus 1 and minus 1 1 0. Minus 1 1 0. A plane is parallel to two lines whose direction ratios are 1 0 minus 1 and minus 1 1 0. And the plane contains the point 1 1 1, and the plane contains the point 1 1 1 1 1 1. If the plane cuts coordinate axis at ABC, coordinate axis at ABC, find volume of tetrahedron. Find volume of tetrahedron OABC. Volume of tetrahedron OABC. Where O is origin. Where O is origin. Look at, first we will find the equation of the plane. First we will find the equation of the plane. Right? So that plane actually is like this. Look at. Whenever it is intersecting, remember this diagram. A, x-axis, B, y-axis, this. First you have to find the equation of the plane. Look at, this plane is parallel to two lines. This plane is parallel to two lines. Look at this plane. This normal will be there. Normal vector, normal line. Let us say this is normal line. This is normal line to the plane. It will be perpendicular to those two lines. L1. First you have to find equation of plane. Then you can find volume. L1, L2. That means normal line will be perpendicular to these two lines. This direction vector is A bar. This direction vector is B bar. That means N perpendicular to A bar comma B bar. What are the DRs of the plane? DRs of plane. So DRs of plane are A bar cross B bar. That means A bar cross B bar is, this is one DR. That means IJK 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0. So this is the one A bar cross. This is A1. This is one vector direction L1. This is L2 direction ratios. That means what is this? I into 0 minus of minus 1 minus j into 0 minus 1 plus k into 1 minus 0 1. That means I plus j plus k. That means DRs of n. DRs of n equals to what is that? 1 1 1 1 1 1. This is A B C. Now he is telling that plane passes through a point. Plane is this triangle only. This triangle like is there. This is the plane actually. This OABC is not plane. This is ABC, that is intersecting. This plane passes through 1 1 1. So therefore that 1 1 1, this point let us say D. This point D can be considered x1 y1 z1. x1 y1 z1. So equation of plane ABC is nothing but A into x minus 1 plus B into y minus 1 plus C into z minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore this is x plus y plus z equal to 3. X plus y plus z equal to 3. Now this plane is intersecting at A, B, C. If you want to find volume of tetrahedron OABC, convert this equation into intercept form. That means whenever you want to find the volume, you write like x by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to what? This O, A, B, C. This tetrahedron is formed by joining OA, by joining OC, by joining OB. So therefore volume is nothing but 1 by 6 into modulus of 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. That means this is nothing but 27 divided by 6. 27 divided by 6, that is the answer. Right? So first find the plane. Whenever he is asking tetrahedron OABC, convert this into intercept form. Then what is the answer? 1 by 6 into modulus A into B into C is the volume. Okay now. Thank you all of you. I will post the assignment, solve that. Okay now. Tomorrow morning I will be available. If those who are interested, come and ask the doubts. 7 to 8:30 I will be available. Okay, thank you all of you.